Alright, I got the rear axle retainer, outer retainer. I'm going to drive the seal out. There we go. So there's the old one. There's the new one. Clean this edge up in here. There's a lot of debris and junk in there, so clean that up. I got the new seal. And get that thing put in here. Now I'll have to go ahead and drive that in till it gets all the way pushed up against there. And then also on the inside of this is an O-ring right there. So if you're working on that, make sure you renew both of those. Alright, I don't have a way really to press that in, so I'm just going to use this punch. By the sound of it, it sounds like I'm there, so just check it. Yep, everything is done. Got that. Go ahead and renew my O-ring. Like I said, it fits in that groove right there. There that is. So now I'll be able to install that on the tractor. Please hit like and subscribe and leave a comment below. And make sure you turn on your notification bell so that each time a new video is posted, you'll be notified.